Hello everyone, welcome to SAP SuccessFactors demonstration about performance and goals module. In the beginning, this is the SuccessFactors homepage, including the quick actions to different parts of the system. For example, if the employee wants to request a time off or wants to request a feedback in his performance module or want to assign an activity or create an activity on the system related to his goals, for example, or if the employee wants to access his or her profiles and so on. So this is the home screen. We can contain some links here to navigate inside or outside the system. In this demonstration, we will talk about goals management and performance management modules. First, if we want to access the goals management, we can access it from the drop-down menu or the navigation menu here and click on goals. By clicking on goals, the employee will be able to see his goal plan for the current year. Also, the employee can add new goals from this button or just viewing the existing goals in his goal plan with the details for each one of them. Let's try to create a new goal. First, the system will ask me, what is the name of your goal? For example, let's say getting certified in SF module. Then the visibility of the goal. Is it private or public? Private means it's available only to me and my manager, and public, it's available to anyone who access my goal plan in the system. Category, we can define different categories. It's customizable, but now in the system, in the current system, we have 4 or 5 categories: financial, customer, internal, business, and so on. We can define this goal as internal business process. Metric, it means how will I measure this goal? That metric that will be able to tell me this goal is already been achieved. So a certification of SF module. So this is the metric. If the employee has a certification of the SuccessFactors module, it will be completed. When is the start date and end date or the due date for this goal? And it's predefined based on the current goal plan, which in this case, 2022. Status, if it started or if I'm on track or behind or canceled this goal or already completed this goal. So I can choose a status based on my current status for this goal. So let's say I'm studying this certification now, so I'm on track. The completion percentage, how far I go for this achievement. So let's say I have finished 30%, and that's why I'm on track now. That's it. I click on save, and this goal will be assigned to my current goal plan for 2022. It tells me success. You created a new goal. I can create another one or just close it and view my goal plan. Okay, so these are the sections that we mentioned before: the financial, customer, internal business processes, and so on. This is the current goal that I already created. If I clicked on it, it will show me all the details about this goal. When it was last updated, it was on 29th of April. What is the status? I can change it from here. And this also based on the permissions. So I can give the employee the permission to view or edit his goal plan or not. And also from here, I can assign an activity. For example, an activity to assign it here that I have studied the THR-80 book, which is related to my current goal. So whatever activities I'm currently working on, I can add it here and link it to this goal plan or to this goal. So this is the employee and how the employee view his own goal plan and his goals and the ability to edit each one of them. Also, the manager will have the same access. For example, if the manager logged into the system, let's have a proxy on the manager or a delegation to see how the manager will view this goal. So now we will open the home screen of the manager or the account of the manager, which in this case, Charles Brown. And the same steps, if I want to go to the goal management module from the navigation menu, I click on goals and it will show me my own goal plan for the current year, which again, 2022 goal plan. It's different. I don't have, as a manager, I don't have many goals as the other one. And this is my direct report section. It will show me all the direct reports in my reporting line. So this is the employee that we were viewing before. As a manager, now I can see also the goals and I can edit any of them or delete or cascade to me. So simply, this is how goal management works in SuccessFactors. And after that, all goals and competencies assigned to this employee will be evaluated or rated in SuccessFactors performance management system. The nice thing here that all the systems are integrated or seamless, have a seamless integration inside SuccessFactors. So if I want to go to performance management, simply from the navigation menu, I click on performance. And if I have any form for me or for my direct reports, it will be shown here. So let's have this as an example. It's a performance form was created before in 19th of March. So the current or the newly created goal is not or will not be here. So for performance management, it has the assessment steps, which is the roadmap or the workflow of this form. It starts from, for example, here, the employee to rate himself, then the manager to rate the employee, then the second level manager, and so on. This workflow or this roadmap is totally customizable based on what's my internal process in my company. I can define different workflow or different roadmaps for different kind of forms. So this is the form and how it looks. It starts from the employee details, his manager, division, his title, and so on. I can include any of the information of the employee profile. Then it shows me the goals section and the weight of this section. Of course, the weight, I can define each section weight in the performance form template itself. So for example, here the goals have 50%. It has 4 goals from the goal plan and the rating will be here. And if this is the rating of the employee and this is if the manager have a different rating, it will show in different places like this. And this development goals and role specific competencies, also each of them have a different weight, 20%, 30%. Role specific competencies are all competencies or skills that are assigned to this job specifically. For example, Anya Singh, this employee is, let's see here, is administrative support. So these skills are assigned to this job. For example, managing time, accepting direction, accepting responsibilities, and so on. And also the manager here, Charles Brown, can rate or assess any of these skills individually. Here is a summary section. If it's all rated, here how it looks, and the overall form rating, the performance module will automatically rate or calculate the overall rating for this form based on the weight of each section. So simply, this is how the form looks during the assessment process. It's now in the third assessment step. That's why it's not completed. Let's have a look on the other completed form. So this is a completed one for Charles Brown, the manager himself. Let's have a look and see how it looks. Okay, so if we can see these, here we have a different roadmap for this manager. So because this manager, for example, in our example here, his form is belongs to another template. So the other template has a different roadmap or a different workflow. It's not only 4, it's 5 steps. And after the 5 steps, it has a signature. The employee and the manager will sign this form. The employee here, Charles himself, the manager, Christine Dolan. And after that, it goes to the completion status. So here, again, it's the goal section and core values. And if there's any comments in the mid-year review, and also, of course, it's also not rated here, but this is just the look of the form. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and simply this was the cycle of goals management and how the goals and competencies will show up in the performance form, and that's it. Thank you for watching.